Hello everyone, good evening. Yeah. My name is Amit Surana. Welcome to the 6th lecture on probability. Today we are going to look at a different concept of probability called conditional probability. This is something that you would have learnt in your school, or at least this was a part of your syllabus in school, but then most of you do not know it, or most of you don't remember it. Hi Vaibhav. So let's start. Don't forget to follow #CatLifeDaily on Instagram. And these are the two Telegram groups. Please join them if you haven't already. The description, the links are given in the description. So far we've completed all of this: introduction to probability, coin based, dice based, cards based. Yesterday we saw selection based problems. Today we're going to learn a new concept under probability called conditional probability. Before that, let me remind you guys, there are a lot of ongoing and upcoming batches. If you haven't enrolled into them already, please go ahead and do that. If you want to take your CAT preparation, if you want to take your CAT 2021 preparation to the next level, please join these batches. You can join these batches by taking the subscription. You can take plus subscription, pick up any one of these packages, use the code Surana Live. You'll get 10% discount. Also, if you take a 6-month package, you will get 1 month package free. Yes. Hi Prince. Okay, chalo, let's start with conditional probability. What does conditional probability mean? Conditional probability means that based on a given situation, based on a given situation, if occurrence of one event changes the probability of the other event. For example, let's say we have, let me give you an example in this format itself. Let's say there are 2 blue balls and 3 red balls. There are 2 blue balls and 3 red balls. Now if I'm asking you what will be the probability of picking one blue ball, what will be the probability of picking one blue ball out of this? 2 out of 5 balls, 2 are blue, so those will be our favoring events, right? 2 out of 5. Now if I ask you, what if a ball is picked after picking a blue ball, right? After picking a blue ball, that means out of the 5 balls, 1 ball is already picked up. And if I give you a condition, the condition is what? That the picked up ball is blue. If the picked up ball is blue, now what happens? The probability changes, correct? Now when another ball needs to be picked up and that also has to be blue, what will happen? This ball also has to be blue. Now what will be the probability? That after this ball being blue, after this ball being blue, the next one should also be blue. Are you understanding this? So what happens now? Only 1 out of 4 balls is blue. Only 1 out of 4 balls is blue, right? Same way, what will be the probability of picking a red ball now? What will be the probability of picking a red ball? There are 3 red balls out of 4. So in conditional probability, what happens? You consider this and this. If both have to be blue. If one has to be blue and the other has to be red, then you will consider these two. Are you understanding this? Moreover, if you further go, right, if you further pick another blue ball, after this another blue ball is picked up, what will happen? There will only be 3 red balls left. So probability after this becomes 0. What will the probability be? That the third ball is also blue? 0. There is no blue here. But what happens here? What will be the probability that the next ball picked up will be red? That will become 2 out of 3. So this will keep branching out. Same way on the other side also. If the condition given was the first ball has to be red, then there's 3 out of 5 chances. Further, when they say that the second one should also be red, then there'll be only 2 out of 4 chances. The second one should be blue, there'll be 2 out of 4 chances. This will keep branching out. Yes. Vaibhav, yeah, very good. Do you have the NCERT textbook? Okay, if you have the textbook, very good, nice definition. But I'm not here to give you definition. मतलब notes नहीं लिख रहे हो आप, ये theory class नहीं है. I'm explaining what conditional probability is so that you can use them in actual questions. Right? ये define conditional probability 2 marks questions नहीं आते CAT में. Okay? So to explain it better, conditional probability is written in this form. What does it mean? It means that probability of A, probability of B when A is done. Yes, probability of B when A is done is what? Probability of A intersection B. That means what? A and B upon probability of B, which will be nothing but number of terms in the intersection of both the events upon number of terms in the individual event. Yes, this becomes vice versa when you have to make B happen first and then A. Right? B upon A, what will happen? Same, numerator remains the same, probability when both A and B happen, but denominator becomes what? Probability of A. Clear? Now what are they saying? For mutually exclusive events that cannot happen back to back, right? Probability of one event cannot affect the probability of the next event. Those are called mutually exclusive events. Yes, in mutually exclusive events, probability of B when A and probability of A when B both will be 0. Got it? So how is this pronounced? Probability of B when A. When A is done, what is the probability? B will occur. Same way, this is called probability of A when B. Got it? So we'll see an example question. This will help us understand it better. Okay, so read this question carefully. Let's see if you can understand this. Chalo, quickly try this question. No issue सतीश, आप थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड करके देख लो. जब तक हम ये क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं तब तक रिवाइंड करके देख लो जल्दी से एंड कम बैक, जॉइन अस लाइव जल्दी. हेलो जानवी, गुड इवनिंग. हाय अजय. या गाइस, read the question carefully though. Okay, sorry guys, there was a small issue. Okay, is it, are you able to hear me now guys? Audio is clear now? Audio clear है क्या अभी? Yes. Answers guys, start giving in answers. Let's see who can answer this. Okay, so what are they saying? According to a survey, 70% of the residents want a new library, right? So number of people who want a new library, let's say, is 70. And 35% want a library and a park. What do you mean by library and a park? That means they want a library as well as a park. Yes, a library as well as a park. So what does this happen? Number of people who want library and park. That is what? Intersection of this, right? These many people want library. These many people, let's say, want park. Yes. What is this? This is people who want both library and park. Now what are they saying? What percentage of those who want a library also want a park? That means people who belong in this region, people who belong in this region also are looking for a park. Yes, that's what. So okay, so this is given as 35. Let's say क्योंकि probability है, we can also consider it in terms of percentage. Either which way, it doesn't matter, right? Later, what are they asking? They're asking the number of people who belong in the group of park when library. That means they already have chosen library, right? People of this group अपने question में क्या बोल रहे हैं कि जो लोग library already choose कर लिए, library already chosen, yes, those guys also want a park. How many would them be? Are you getting this? Yes. So in case of probability, what will happen? Probability or chances of getting a person who wants a park when liking or when wanting a library already, it will be what? Number of people belonging in library and park intersection upon whatever is the completed condition. Whatever is the completed condition, that will become your denominator. Yes, so this is what? 70, sorry, the other way around, 35 by 70. 35 by 70 is how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 in terms of percentage is how much? 50%. Are you understanding this, guys? Yes. Hello Nishant, good evening. So this is called conditional probability, where what we just found out is what? Chances or probability of choosing a park when already selected or already chosen a library. Done? So it's as simple as this, guys. That's it. Got it? चलो, let's quickly try this now. Let's see if you can answer this. तो इसको क्या थोड़ा सा whatever we saw just now, we're just trying to up the game a little bit. Okay, थोड़ा सा difficult बनाया उसी question को. Let's see if you can quickly try this question. Let's see if you can try this, guys. So they're asking what is the probability that you will be the captain. So what have they given? See, look at this. They're saying chances. Okay, so Ravi, if Ravi is the coach, then there is a 50% chance, yes, 50% chance that you will be captain. And there is an equal chance, 50% chance that you will not be the captain. Yes. Same way, if Saurav, right? Saurav is the captain, then there is a 30% chance you will be the captain. When Saurav is the coach, there is a 30% chance you will be a captain. So there will be a 70% chance you will not be a captain, है ना? आपका कैप्टन बनना नहीं बनना किस पे डिपेंड करता है? कोच पे. यस. नाउ व्हाट आर दे सेइंग? दे सेइंग दैट रवि का कोच बनना, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रवि बीइंग अ कोच. यस, प्रोबेबल. तो ये क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रवि मेकिंग यू अ कोच. यस, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रवि बीइंग द कोच is what? 6 out of 10 matches. Yes, 6 out of 10 matches. And here what are they saying? What is understood? अगर 6 out of 10 matches में रवि कोच है, 6 out of 10 matches में अगर रवि कोच है, तो probability of सौरभ being coach will be how much? Remaining matches, right? 10 में से 6 अगर रवि है तो सौरभ का क्या होगा? 4 में से 10. Yeah. So what are we looking at? We are looking at probability of me becoming a captain. मेरे को कैप्टन बनने का है जैसे तैसे, कोई भी कोच हो मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा. तो यहाँ पे 2 केसेस होंगे, 2 cases. Yes. Probability of me becoming a captain when Ravi is the coach, and probability of me becoming the captain when Saurav is the coach. Yes. इस कंडीशनल में क्या हो जाता है? बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट रवि बीइंग अ कोच, राइट? डू वी नो द प्रोबेबिलिटी? इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ मी बिकमिंग अ कैप्टन एंड रवि बिकमिंग अ कोच बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रवि बिकमिंग अ कोच. यस. एंड इसका क्या होगा? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ me becoming a captain and Saurav becoming a coach by probability of Saurav becoming a coach. Yes. ये ऐसे करना चाहिए हमें, but because we have no clue of this, क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं पता what do we know? We know the probability of me becoming captain. Yes, I know the probability of me becoming captain here. So क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? In the first case we would have 50% chances. Yes, 50% chances या 0.5%, 0.5 cases out of 1 into how many cases? 6 out of 10 matches. Yes, this is how much? 0.5 into 6 is 3, 3 by 10 is 0.3. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? There is a 0.3, there is a 30% or 0.3 probability that Saurav will be a captain. Sorry, I will be a captain when Saurav is a coach. That is 4 out of 10 matches. Yes, so this becomes how much? 1.2 by 10, 0.12. Since only one of these two can happen, दोनों साथ में नहीं हो सकता ना, रवि और सौरभ दोनों साथ में कोच नहीं बन सकते, only one of them can happen. So probability of this, me being a captain, probability of me being a captain will be what? When Ravi is the captain, it is 0.3. Coach, sorry, when Ravi is the coach, 0.3. When Saurav is the coach, 0.12. So there is a 0.42 or 42% chance that I could be a captain. Understood? Yes, मेरे पास क्या है? 42% chances है मेरे को कैप्टन बनने का. I hope this is clear. Everyone done? तो दोनों क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंस आपको समझ में आ गया ना? You understood the difference between both the questions? चलो, beautiful. Now before we move on to the next concept, every Sunday, just like today, every Sunday we do a quiz called the Combat. This is the QR code to scan the link. Use the code Surana Live to register. Every Sunday 12 p.m. 1 hour quiz on Quant, Verbal and LR&DI. Yes, 10 questions each. If you had given today's Combat, you will know that the questions are easy to medium only. मतलब आराम से solve हो जाएंगे. And if you get a rank in the first 200, which is actually pretty doable, इसका probability काफ़ी high है, right? 200 के अंदर rank लाना, probability is very high. So you can go ahead, give this a shot, get a subscription scholarship, use that for your CAT preparation. चलो, Now based on conditional probability, based on conditional probability, based on conditional probability, there is a theorem, right, which is called Bayes theorem, which says that probability of A when B is nothing but probability of B when A into probability of A by probability of B. Yes, probability of A when B is nothing but probability of B when A into probability of A by probability of B. ये कैसे इसको डिराइव करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? सी probability of B when A is nothing but probability of B and A happening together upon probability of A. Correct? मेरे को क्या चाहिए? फ्रॉम दिस आई वॉन्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए व्हेन बी, मतलब मेरे को आई वॉन्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी एंड ए हैपनिंग टुगेदर अपॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. मेरे को इसको ऐसे लाना है, तो व्हाट विल आई डू? आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए ताकि ये कैंसिल हो जाए, एंड आई विल डिवाइड विथ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी ताकि ये डिनोमिनेटर बन जाए. आ रहा समझ में? डेरिवेशन समझ में आया इसका? यस सर नो? चलो, so let's use this Bayes theorem in a question. Read the question carefully. So I'll read the question, I'll explain the question, you do the solution. Okay, in a class 60% of the students choose English, 36% of the students choose French as a foreign language. Now they're saying if 40% of those that choose English also chose French, then they're asking what percentage of those that chose French also choose English. Yes, तब ये क्या बोल रहे हैं कि don't get lost in the translation. ठीक है, तो पहले देखो number of people who choose English कितना है? 60%. number of people who choose French कितना है? 36%. Yes, correct. Now what are they saying? Number of people that choose English also chose French. That means जिन्होंने already English choose कर लिया है उन्होंने French choose किया. That is how much? 40%. What are they asking from us? They are asking number of people who already chose French will all again choose English. ये अपने को ढूंढना है. How much is this? Directly use Bayes theorem, खत्म हो जाएगा ये क्वेश्चन. स्नेहा यहाँ पे समझ में आ जाएगा, देखो आपको यहाँ पे समझ में आ जाएगा. ट्राई करो ये वाला. क्विक डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ बेस थियरम है, नो झंझट एंड ऑल, डायरेक्ट बेस थियरम लगा रहे. प्रिंस सेज डी, गौरव सेज ए. ठीक है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू बेस थियरम, हमें क्या बताया कि प्रोबेबिलिटी और नंबर ऑफ पीपल इट्स अल्टीमेटली द सेम. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E when F is going to be equal to probability of F when E into probability of E. मैं अगर probability of E कर दूंगा तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ intersection. अब मेरे को when F चाहिए, so what will I do? Divided by probability of F. अब बोलो आया समझ में? Yes, so what is this? Probability of F when E is 40%. To avoid this by 100 का झंझट, directly convert it into decimal and do it, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी by 100 रहेगा, यहाँ पे भी by 100 रहेगा, एक कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक रहेगा, ये confusion normally होता है. तो first convert it in decimal and then do it. And probability of English is what? 60. That's 0.6 upon probability of French, which is 36%, 0.36. ठीक है. So Okay, so what happens here, this is once, this is 0.9 times, so this is 2 times, this is 3 times, so 2 by 3 is our answer. 2 by 3 in terms of, sorry क्या हो गया, क्यों पूरा इरेज हो गया, damn it. Okay, पूरा जो लिखा था इरेज हो गया. Where were we? Yeah, so probability of English is 60%, probability of French is 36%, probability of English when French, no, the other way around, French when English is how much? 40%. Yes, so what do we want? We want the value of probability of English when French, which is going to be what? This is going to be equal to, according to Bayes theorem, yes, probability of English when French is going to be probability of French when English into probability of English by probability of French, which is 0.4 into 0.6 by 0.36. this is once, this is 9 times, या फिर ठीक है ऐसे डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो, whatever, 0.9 times 0.9 by 0.6 by 0.9 is 2 by 3. So the probability is 2 by 3, which in terms of percentage is how much? 66.66 or 66 2 by 3%. Done. So whoever said option D, that's the right answer. Very good, Ajay. Hi Neha, good evening. Done guys, no confusions here. Anybody? किसी को कोई doubt, किसी को कोई confusion इसमें? अगर ये आपको समझ में आया तो please go ahead, hit like on this video and we'll move on to the next one. Is there any part of this जो आपको समझ में नहीं आया? चलो try the next one now. Chances that a bottle is packed by Jack is what? 60%. Yes. Chances that Jack के केस में damage, Jack के केस में damage is what? 1.5%. Same way, probability of Jill packing a bottle is how much? Remaining 40%. Probability of Jill packing a bottle that is damaged is how much? 2%. What are they asking? They're asking if a bottle of water is picked randomly, what is the probability that it was packed by Jill? Quickly try. Sorry. If a bottle of water is picked randomly, which is damaged. Yes, if a bottle of water is picked randomly which is damaged, what is the probability that it was packed by Jill? अब समझ में आया question? Yes guys. So now this 2% or 1%, 1.5% of or 2% is not of the total. It is of what? Of the bottles that Jill filled. 2% of Jill's bottles, not total. 2% of 100 bottles nahi, 2% of Jill's bottles. Yes, so this basically means what? Damaged when filled by Jill. Correct? जो मतलब Jill से fill हुई है already but damaged. Same way ये क्या होगा? This will become what? Filled by Jack and found to be damaged 1.5%. Okay, yes, no guys? So what are they asking now? They're asking the other way around. उनका expected value क्या है? That probability of a bottle which is already damaged, yes, a bottle that is already damaged should be packed by Jill. ये पूछ रहे हैं वो. बेस थियरम लगाओ, खत्म करो जल्दी से. Let's see who can answer this. Sorry, yeah, ये Jill का है. Sorry. This is of Jill, this is of Jack. उल्टा लिख दिया था मैंने. ये Jill का है, वो Jack का है. ठीक है, चलो जो भी गिवन टर्म्स थे सब लिख दिए. अब ट्राई करो जल्दी से. Prince says A, 2 out of 3. D, Gaurav says D, 1 out of 50. Others? तब इसमें क्या होगा? यू विल हैव टू कंसिडर बोथ केसेस. यू विल हैव टू कंसिडर बोथ केसेस व्हेन यू हैव. तो एक जो फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू हैव टू पिक अ बॉटल दैट इज डैमेज्ड, तो उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी अलग रहेगा. yes, that's the conditional probability. when that condition is met, what are the chances it was filled by Jill? Okay, so by formula what will this become? Probability of bottle being packed by Jill when it is already damaged, yes, will be what? Probability of Jill filling it into probability of damaged when Jill. Correct? Probability of damaged when Jill has filled it. इस पे क्या हो जाएगा? probability of Jill cancel हो जाएगा, तो probability of damage रहेगा ऊपर overall. yes, same way denominator में क्या होगा? same thing. yes, total possibilities of getting a damaged bottle will be what? probability of Jill into probability of getting a damaged bottle when Jill has filled it, or probability of Jack into probability of damaged when Jack has filled it. क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ क्या चाहिए? we just want the damaged bottle, we don't want Jack का केस. क्योंकि Jill का पूछा है, हमें Jack का केस चाहिए भी नहीं. we just want damaged bottle, that's it. ठीक है? I hope you guys have understood the logic behind this formula kind of thing that we wrote. तो बस इसमें वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. yes, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? ये कैलकुलेशन यहाँ पे करो. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ Jill इज व्हाट? 60%, 0.6 into probability of damaged when Jill fills it is what? 2%, which is 0.02. कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक मत करना. ओके, this divided by, नीचे क्या हो जाएगा? प्रोबेबिलिटी सेम. probability of Jill filling a bottle, probability of damage when Jill has filled, or probability of Jack filling a bottle into probability of damage when Jack filled it, which is what? 1.5%. that is 0.015. ठीक है? ये कन्वर्ट करना ज़रूरी है. ये कैलकुलेशन भी आपको ध्यान से करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सब जगह पे by 100 है, so I don't want you to mess that up. Okay, so what is 0.6 into 0.02? 0.012 by, क्योंकि 6 into 2 is 12 and 1 2 3 decimal places. Same way नीचे 0.012 plus 4 into 15 is 60 and we have 1 2 3 4 decimal points. Yes, so 60 पे 4 decimal points, 1 2 3 4, so 0.0060. कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे. So this is 0.012 by 0. क्या हो जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में? 0.018, 0.0180. ठीक है, 0 तो ठीक है. This is what? 2 times 3 times. So the probability यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ. The probability of Jill filling a bottle which is already damaged is how much? 2 out of 3, 66.66% chances. तो इसका इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा? इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? इसका उल्टा, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? If you want to find out probability of Jack filling a bottle that is damaged, probability of Jack filling a bottle that is damaged will become how much? 1/3 remaining parts. ठीक है. You can also answer this using logic. इसको आप लॉजिक आंसर चॉइस देख के भी कर सकते हो, राइट? ये बताओ, जैक और जिल के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा बॉटल्स कौन फिल कर रहा है? जैक और जिल के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा बॉटल्स कौन फिल कर? जिल फिल कर रही है, राइट? 60%. अब जैक और जिल के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा डैमेज्ड गुड्स कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं? जिल अगेन, 2%. यस, तो probability when Jill fills probability of Jill filling a bottle that is damaged will be higher than probability of Jack filling a bottle that is damaged. Correct? सेम ही तो हुआ ना लॉजिक, वही है बस. जो आप डायरेक्टली करते हैं 60 का 1.5%, 40 का 2% करके ऐड करते हैं, सॉरी उल्टा, 60 का 2%, 40 का 1.5% करते, वही है. क्योंकि ये प्रोबेबिलिटी के टर्म्स में इसलिए ऐसे किया, अदरवाइज देयर इज नथिंग. एनीवे, तो ये देखो, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ जिल फिलिंग अ बॉटल दैट इज डैमेज्ड विल डेफिनेटली बी ग्रेटर देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ जैक फिलिंग अ बॉटल दैट इज डैमेज्ड, क्योंकि जिल ज्यादा बॉटल्स भी फिल कर रही है और ज्यादा डैमेज भी कॉज कर रही है. जैक कम बॉटल्स फिल कर रहा है और उसमें भी कम डैमेज है. तो ऑफ द आंसर चॉइसेस 1/2 तो आप एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि देयर वोंट बी इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, 50-50 नहीं होगा. यस, 1/3 अगर जिल का है, 1/3 अगर जिल का है, तो जैक का क्या हो गया? 2/3. 2/3 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/3, नॉट पॉसिबल. सेम वे अगर 1/50 जिल का है तो जैक का कितना हो जाएगा? 49/50, which is again much greater than 1/50. This is also not possible. Only answer possible is A. Why? Because if 2/3 is Jill's case, then Jack's case is 1/3. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है? 2/3 is greater than 1/3. So chances of Jill producing a damaged bottle is high. So a damaged bottle produced by Jill will also be high. ठीक है? यस, यही सेम चीज आप नॉर्मल परसेंटेज से भी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये प्रोबेबिलिटी का सीन है, इसलिए we've done all this. अदरवाइज डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो. डन? Yes, before we move on to the next question, guys, there's a ask a doubt feature, which is a free feature available on the Unacademy learning app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, please go ahead and do that. There's an ask a doubt feature available, जहाँ पे आप फोटो ले सकते हो, फोटो भेज सकते हो, डाउट को हाईलाइट करके you will get the answer. If you want to use this feature, download the app, use the code Surana live when you register yourself. चलो next question. Now this is based on ratios. इसमें ratios है, so you need to know ratios before answering this. Quickly let's try. ये उससे पहले वाले सिचुएशन से भी इजी, पहले वाले का एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म है बेसिकली. सो देर आर 4 ब्रांड्स ऑफ शर्ट्स. इनका रेशियो क्या है कि अगर 2 पार्ट्स ए से लेता है तो 5 पार्ट्स वो बी से लेता है, 6 पार्ट्स वो सी से लेता है और 7 पार्ट्स वो डी से लेता है. यस, out of this they are saying that 1% of D's shirt, A's shirt is damaged. Yes, 1.5% of B's shirt is damaged, 2% of C's shirt and 2% of D's shirt is damaged. Yes, what is the question asking from us? If a random shirt is picked, yes, if a random shirt is picked, what is the probability that it is damaged? Damaged होना जरूरी है, right? ये मैं भूल गया क्वेश्चन में ऐड करना. If a random shirt is picked which is damaged, what is the probability that it is of brand C? ठीक है, what is the probability that it is of brand C? चलो क्विकली ट्राई करो. जल्दी जल्दी. So you can also do it directly, मतलब फॉर्मूला लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है. हाय नयन, हेलो. केमोन अच्छे नयन दादा. प्रिंस से सी 34%, वेरी गुड, सुपर्ब. अदर्स? तानिया से सी. सो इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए यू कैन यूज द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट वी सॉ इन द प्रीवियस केस, बट वो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, राइट? सो कॉमन लॉजिक क्या है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट अ शर्ट इज मेड बाय सी विच इज डैमेज्ड. डैमेज्ड को x लिखते, चलो लेट्स से डैमेज्ड इज x. x is going to be equal to what? Probability of a shirt being produced by C which is damaged upon probability of damage. Yes, ये क्या हो गया? सिर्फ C के केस में डैमेज, ये ओवरऑल डैमेज. यस, तो यहाँ पे आप असम्पशन से कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू इट विथ असम्पशन. एलेप्रॉक्स, तानिया, नेहा ऑल आर सेइंग ऑप्शन सी 34%, वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे लेट्स अस्यूम दैट देर आर, चलो इफ यू डोंट वांट डेसिमल्स, 200, 500, 600, 700 शर्ट्स ले लो. डेसिमल नहीं आएगा, इंटीजर वैल्यू आएगा, राइट? तो 200 का 1% इज व्हाट? 200 का 1%, 2 शर्ट्स आर डैमेज्ड. यहाँ पे 1.5% ऑफ 500 विल बी हाउ मच? 7.5. 2% of 600 will be how much? 12. Correct. 1% is 6, 2% will be 12. 2% of 700 is how much? 14. Are you understanding this? Yes. So total damaged goods are how many? 2, 14, 28. 28 plus 7.5 is 35.5. Agreed, guys? Yes. So what do we have to find out? C ka case, which is 12. So this is going to be 12 upon 35.5. आ रहा समझ में ये आपको guys? I hope you guys are able to understand this. Yes. ये अगर परसेंटेज में चाहिए तो you will multiply it with 100. Yes, you can directly go for the calculator here, no need to think too much. या फिर अच्छा you can directly also do it. 12 by 36 is 1 by 3. चलो कैलकुलेटर की जरूरत नहीं है. 12 by 36 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.33. So our value will be a little less, a little more than 33.33%. Yes, the only value a little more than 33.33% is 34. This is our answer. Yes, if you put this on the calculator, what will you get? If you put this on the calculator, you will get 12 by 35.5 into 100. 33.8%, closest 34. Okay. Done, guys, everyone. I hope you understood this. Yes. Got it, Sneha? So you're basically finding out probability. Yes, probability of a shirt that is produced by C and it is damaged. Yes, produced by C and it is damaged upon total damaged products. Yes, C का damage probability जाने दो. C का damaged products, C is damaged products upon total damaged products. ये पूछा अपन से बस, that's it. अब आ गया समझ में? Very good. चलो, try this question. It is clear that Tom lives in regions like Mumbai, Bangalore, Kerala, where it rains, where it rains randomly out of nowhere. Okay, try this question. Read the question carefully. It might sound confusing, but it's actually not. Very simple to understand. Quickly try this. So asked question is what? अच्छा ठीक है, ऐसा assume कर लो कि X is taking a raincoat. Yes, remembering a raincoat. Y is rain, event that it rains. Yes. So what is the question asking? The question is asking what is the probability that he remembers to take his raincoat when it rains. मतलब probability of X when Y. This is what they're asking. Yes, probability of X, that is probability of remembering the raincoat when it rains. Condition क्या है कि बारिश हो रही. Got it now? Try करो जल्दी से guys. Let's see who can answer this. Okay, Gaurav says B. Gaurav says B, 2 by 3. Okay. Prince says D, 10 by 3. Prince, 10 none of the above ठीक है, but 10 by 3 is greater than 1. That means your probability percentage is greater than 100%. इसका तो ये मतलब हुआ कि ये टॉम बंदा जो है रेनकोट भूलता ही नहीं है कभी लाइफ में. मतलब 100%, 200%, 300% से भी ज़्यादा प्रॉबिलिटी है भाई की नहीं भूलने की. मतलब इसके घर वालों ने इस पे कितना बादाम का खर्चा किया होगा, सोचो कितना बादाम खिलाया होगा इसको, वो सोचो। %3.33 क्या? 3.33% is 1/30. So you're saying it is 1/30. Okay. Others? जल्दी से करो, आराम से सोचो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, नो इश्यूज, आराम से सोचो। क्विक। चलो तो इसको वो क्या वो फ्लो चार्ट मेथड में करते हैं, ब्रांच वाला चार्ट मेथड में करते हैं। यस, तो टॉम है, टॉम रिमेंबरिंग द रेनकोट। यस, रिमेंबर्स द रेनकोट, मतलब क्या, एक्स है बेसिकली, रिमेंबर्स द रेनकोट, दैट्स बेसिकली एक्स। क्या है प्रोबेबिलिटी इसका? 80%। यस, 0.8 डायरेक्ट ही लिखते हैं, चलो 0.8। तो फिर फॉरगेटिंग द रेनकोट विल बी व्हाट? फॉरगेट्स द रेनकोट का क्या होगा प्रोबेबिलिटी? दैट इज एक्स बार, एक्स डैश, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी रिमेनिंग 0.2। यस, अब इन केसेस में भी क्या होगा? बारिश हो रही है, बारिश नहीं हो रही है। करेक्ट, बारिश हो रही है, बारिश नहीं हो रही है। So what are they saying? It rains on 30% of the days when he remembers to take. तो जब ये होता है, when this happens, there is how much, what chances? 30% of chances. Yes, it will rain. It will rain when he remembers the quote is how much? 30%, 0.3. तो no rain, बारिश नहीं होती है जब वो रेनकोट लेके जाता है, विल बी व्हाट? रिमेनिंग 70% ऑफ द केसेस। नो रेन व्हेन ही रिमेंबर्स द रेनकोट। गॉट इट? सेम वे यहां पे, व्हेन ही फॉरगेट्स द रेनकोट, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेन इज व्हाट? 60%। दैट मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नो रेन व्हेन ही forgets the raincoat will be what? Remaining 40%. Yes, अपन से क्या पूछा है? What have they asked from us? They have asked probability of remembering the raincoat when it rains, which is going to be what? Probability of taking the raincoat when it rains upon probability of total rain cases. Yes, रेन कहां पे हो रहा है? यहां पे हो रहा है, यहां पे रेन हो रहा है। मतलब इन दो इंफॉर्मेशन की हमें जरूरत वैसे है नहीं, वी डोंट नीड दीज टू इंफॉर्मेशन। यस, सो 0.8 into 0.3 will be how much? 0.24. 0.2 into 0.6 is how much? 0.12. Yes, this is the probability that we want. Remembers raincoat when it rains, ये क्या हो गया? 0.24 is the numerator upon दोनों का total cases when it rains, 0.24 plus 0.12 is what? 0.36, which is 2/3. आया समझ में ये? Did you guys understand this? Option is B, 2/3. Not 3/10, Akshata. Prince, is it clear? So Gaurav and Ajay's answer are right. Prince, Akshata, एक बार try think about this again. Okay? Done है? So this is Conditional probability, yes, and we saw what Bayes theorem is in conditional probability. ठीक है, हाँ करेक्ट प्रिंस, चलो ठीक है, नो इश्यूज, एज लॉन्ग एज अब आपको समझ में आ गया तो ठीक है, चलेगा. या so tomorrow what we are going to do guys, tomorrow we will be doing a session on advanced probability. yes, ज़्यादा भी नहीं बट ठीक है, एक हद तक advanced probability. so tomorrow's plan सुन लो. tomorrow is 28 June. yes, tomorrow 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. very important class. Tomorrow we are going to learn about triangles, what is centroid, what is orthocenter, what is circumcenter, yes, what is circumradius, inradius, medians, all of that. In radius, medians, yes. ठीक है, this is what we are doing tomorrow at 3 p.m. Don't forget to join this. This is on triangles. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है concepts, not just for triangles. You will be using this for polygons, quadrilaterals. You will be using this for circles. You will also be using this for two-dimensional mensuration and most importantly coordinate geometry. Yes. Also tomorrow 8 p.m. ये वाला रात वाला class 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. What are we going to do? Advanced probability. Okay. How did I get 0.36 and 0.24? 0.24 तो ऐसे आया. Yes, 0.24 क्या है? 0.24 is रेनकोट लेके जाता है और बारिश आती है. Yes, रेनकोट लेके जाता है और बारिश आती है, that is 0.24. रेनकोट नहीं लेके जाता है और बारिश आती है is 0.12. Yes. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बारिश आती है क्या होगा? 0.24 प्लस 0.12 विच इज 0.36. समझ गए अभी स्नेहा? यस, चलो सुपर. Okay guys, you can go for the subscription. If you're planning on going for subscription, you can take plus, use the code Surana Live. You will get a 10% discount. These are the prices when you go for my code Surana Live. And if you buy a 6-month subscription, you will get 1 month subscription free. This offer is valid only till this month. You just have about 2-3 days. So if you're planning on taking the subscription, please go ahead and do that as soon as possible. You can also take the iconic subscription where you have all the benefits of plus. You will be assigned a personal mentor who will help you with everything. These mentors are graduates of top B schools like IIM Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Calcutta and so on. Yes, you will also get personalized test analysis and reports and other management entrance test ka preparation. There are two subscription packages available, 24 and 12 months. Use my code Surana Live for a 10% discount. Yes, thank you very much guys. Don't forget to hit like on this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Go ahead, enjoy your Sunday, at least of whatever is left. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning. Let's crack it.